If you're trying to decide between using Miro and ClickUp, you're in good company. Both tools aim to help teams work better, but they focus on different strengths and workflows. Here's how they compare so you can figure out which one suits your team and context best. ClickUp is built as an all-in-one productivity platform, combining tasks, project management, dashboards, docs, whiteboards, and automation in a single environment. It's ideal for teams that want to keep everything, planning, execution, tracking, reporting, inside one system. Because of its breadth, it can handle structured workflows, time tracking, dependencies, and many aspects of project operations in one place. On the other hand, Miro is more specifically focused on visual collaboration and creative work. It gives you an infinite canvas where you can brainstorm, map ideas, build mind maps, wireframes, or run interactive workshops. Its strength lies in enabling teams to see ideas, plans, and flows visually rather than strictly in lists or tables. When it comes to ease of use, Miro tends to feel more immediate for visual work. You open a board and start adding sticky notes, drawing, connecting ideas. It doesn't demand as much structure up front, which helps when you're exploring or ideating. ClickUp, being more comprehensive, has more features to set up, more configuration options, and thus a steeper learning curve, especially if you want to unlock its full potential. So if you want fast visual collaboration, Miro wins. If you want full workflow management, ClickUp wins. Feature-wise, ClickUp offers robust task management, custom statuses, dependencies, time tracking, dashboards, views like list, board, calendar, all built in. Miro offers a huge template library for brainstorming, project planning, agile workflows, and integrates with many external tools: Slack, Google Workspace, Jira. However, Miro's built-in task management features aren't as deep as ClickUp's core. In short, if tasks and tracking are your key need, ClickUp leads. If visual mapping and idea generation are your key need, Miro leads. Collaboration and ecosystem is another dimension. Miro is built for multiple collaborators on a canvas. Many people can contribute ideas live, use templates, shape sessions, vote, comment. ClickUp does support collaboration, of course, especially around tasks and projects, but its whiteboard visual component is less mature than Miro's focus. Many teams embed Miro into their ClickUp workflows, using Miro for ideation and ClickUp for execution. In terms of value and fit, ClickUp tends to offer a stronger value if you need one tool for everything: project management, documents, tasks, dashboards. Miro may make more sense if your priority is visual planning and teamwork across ideas rather than deep project tracking. If budget is a concern and your workflow is more about ideas and less about tracking, Miro may give you what you need. If you're scaling operations with many tasks and dependencies, ClickUp might be more strategic. To wrap it up, choose ClickUp if your primary need is structured project management, tracking tasks, managing workflows, and you're okay with a fuller toolset to learn. Choose Miro if you want a flexible visual space for creativity, brainstorming, team collaboration, and you don't need everything in one place. Each one is great. It just comes down to where your workflow leans: execution or control, ClickUp, versus visualization, ideation, Miro.